Hello, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change my shock absorbers on this car. The shock absorbers that come from the factory are not actually real shock absorbers. They actually only have springs that are functional here. They don't have any oil inside. Real RC cars usually come with shock absorbers with oil inside of the capsule. So I found another replacement for this Chinese RC car, which is this one. As you can see, it has a metal casing, it has a spring, and actually it has oil inside. There's a capsule, plastic capsule with oil, and I just opened the cover of it and I checked it. It really has oil in it. And although you can see that they are slightly different, with slight modification you can still fit this shock absorbers on this car. What you need to do is just to remove these plastic parts, small plastic parts, and they will fit on your car. I'll show you how to do it now. The reason why I'm doing this is that you've seen in the previous videos maybe how the wheels, when the car goes really fast, start jumping and bounce off the ground. So it's not good for this car, because then the tires lose contact with the surface and the car doesn't accelerate well and loses control. So I think by choosing these new shock absorbers I will improve the performance of the car. In order to change the shock absorbers, you'll need to remove the tires. Use the necessary screwdriver to unscrew it. Be careful, because this car have plastic casing where the connection of the axle and the tire is located. It's plastic, so you need to remove it carefully. So as you can see, it's plastic, it's all plastic, so it's good to be careful with this. So you can see this is a plastic part, not the best solution, but it's a cheap car, so it's okay. So now you have the shock absorber. You need to unscrew the screw here. It's a long screw, it's a long bolt. That's the bolt. And this shock absorber is not fastened with the screw in the lower part, so you just unclick it. So you see the holes in the fastening parts are a bit different, but just because there is a small plastic ring in there, you need to remove it, and you just do it with a screw, like pushing into it, and just comes out. And it's just a small plastic joint like this, and you won't remove it, and you won't need this. And here's the second one. Just push it in, out, carefully. Here it comes out, so you don't need it. Now you have this shock absorber ready to be installed. The only thing you need to add is this metal part here, the upper part of the shock absorber that gets fastened to the chassis. So remove it, pull it out with the pliers carefully, then install it inside of this new shock absorber by pushing it in carefully. It's a plastic part, so it gets in it's flexible. So now I have it in. Just click, one click. Okay, with time it will move easily because there's a lot of friction. And as you can see, my metal part now is a little bit rusty, so it's not moving well, but it will actually, and you can use oil. Now put the screw inside and screw it in. So it's screwed in, it moves, you can see it's moving, which is important. And then just on the lower part of the absorber, shock absorber, just click it on it, click it on here, just one click, and here you go. Now you have second. You can see that the shock absorber is really nice, it's smooth. You can see that it keeps steady the moving parts. Also, it's nice that it has this ring here. You can turn it and actually press on the spring, so you can actually control the resistance of the shock absorber. Apart from the oil resistance, you'll get also a high spring resistance. So as you can see, now this thing works really well. And if you compare with the old shock absorbers, you can see how it's so loose. It doesn't really keep any resistance. So you see, and this one I hope will make, you see, the resistance even better. So these are nice replacements, and they are cheap replacements for the factory shock absorbers. So I'll go on and change all shock absorbers, and in the next videos we'll show you how the car runs with the new absorbers. Here we go. Now I have all 4 shock absorbers replaced. Look at this now. It's just so nice. It doesn't bounce off, it doesn't move loosely, it just reacts on time. And I think also the clearance has increased because now the shock absorbers are stiff and they don't let the car go down. I think with the previous shock absorbers the car was in this position, and actually my idea was also to improve the clearance for this car, and now I think it's much higher. Now it's gonna go through different obstacles even better. So as you can see, it's really nice. I mean, now there should be no bouncing off the surface. Let's see how it works in real testing. And here look at this car with car casing on. It definitely looks much higher. The clearance is much better now. Look at this. It really looks high now. Just look at this. It really looks much better. Much nicer. Yes, it's really nice, and I think these shock absorbers worked well, but I will try them soon. Check the next videos, and the description to the shock absorbers will be provided below the video.